Hello to everyone from the world of Zone News. Thank you for choosing us. Our video today is about the 2023 Lexus NX. You will make us happy by watching the video until the end. Lexus disclosed the second-age NX for 2022, and the as-of-late adjusted model continues into 2023 without any changes. That is good with us. Lexus tremendously worked on a staple of its setup by offering the minimal extravagance SUV with 4 powertrains. 2 crossovers are presented notwithstanding a team of gas-just choices, so purchasers have a lot of decision. As an or more, the new infotainment framework is associations better than the old framework. Contenders incorporate other little hybrids like the Acura RDX, Volvo XC60, and Lincoln Corsair. Evidently further developed over the past age NX, Lexus Minimal Hybrid is more engaging than any other time. The outside plan is tight and smart, particularly on the off chance that you wouldn't fret an enormous Lexus shaft grille. In view of a similar stage as the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, the Lexus NX is charming to drive for certain little provisos. Light and precise controlling elements across the whole arrangement, yet we likewise felt undesirable vibrations through the guiding wheel in our testing. Albeit the NX350H is speedier than either the normally suctioned NX250 or the turbocharged NX350, its brake pedal feel is poor. To put it plainly, the Lexus NX isn't a gulch carver, however we value that suspension tuning across the setup inclines toward a sumptuous ride. The module NX450H Plus is the feature of the setup. Its 37 miles of electric reach and by and large balance make it a fragment driving pick. Sadly, regardless of which 2023 Lexus NX you pick, we've viewed the inside as genuinely plain. That is particularly evident at the upper finish of the NX range, where different contenders are furnished with dazzling, unpredictably styled lodges. Notwithstanding, we're delighted to see Lexus' old touchpad regulator become a relic of days gone by for enormous touchscreen shows. Lexus likewise prepares a ton of standard well-being highlights, which gives the NX some additional allure. Somewhere else search in the fragment on the off chance that out-and-out energy is vital. If an agreeable ride, great mileage, and eye-getting outside plan are significant elements, the 2023 Lexus NX is a strong decision. Lexus offers the NX Conservative Hybrid with a scope of drivetrains. The base motor is a humble normally suction 4-chamber, and the reach-beating 450H Plus purposes a strong module cross-breed arrangement. In the middle between, there's a turbocharged 4-chamber variation and a traditional half-and-half model. Remarkably, NX350H is speedier than both of its fuel-just stablemates. The IIHS named the 2022 Lexus NX a top well-being pick plus in gas, half-breed, and module mixture pretenses. However, it remains unrated by the NHTSA. The NX comes furnished with the Lexus Wellbeing System Plus 3.0 Security Suite. Highlights incorporate versatile voyage control with bend speed the board, approaching vehicle discovery, programmed crisis slowing down, programmed high bars, street sign help, safe leave help, and path keep help. The 2023 Lexus NX utilizes a standard 9.8-inch touchscreen infotainment framework with remote Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The automaker likewise prepares a voice-controlled remote helper that can assist with fundamental errands that would somehow require a button press. Optioning the extravagance bundle trades in a bigger 14.0-inch screen instead of the standard unit. Different highlights incorporate underlying route, over-the-air refreshes, a crisis reaction framework, and computerized key cell phone combination. We've driven most models in the Lexus NX setup, and we think the 450H Plus is the best executed adaptation of the parcel. Besides the fact that it offers 37 miles of electric reach, which is more than likewise valued PHEV rivals, the additionally handles better compared to any of different variations in the reach. The 302 horsepower NX 450H Plus is the speediest of the bundle as well. We don't think the F-Game bundle is essential as its 20-inch Haggle sport suspension diminish the ride quality. Standard elements of the NX 450H Plus incorporate a 14.0-inch infotainment show, a warmed guiding wheel, warmed and ventilated punctured calfskin front seats, and a 10-speaker premium sound framework. The module half-breed NX is almost $60,000 to begin. However, in this Lexus SUV's case, it truly is the best one in the setup. As well as revamping the outside and inside styling of the most blazing NX, Lexus adds versatile variable suspension and 20-inch wheels to the hardware list. Lexus likewise adds a Game S Plus driving mode for more forceful controlling and drivetrain responsiveness. In our testing, a 2022 Lexus NX 450h Plus ran from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.5 seconds, which isn't section driving, however ought to be sufficiently speedy to engage most purchasers. Is this NX as energetic to drive as a beginning GV70 or Alfa Romeo Stelvio? No, however the Lexus might address a superior split the difference of liveliness and half proficiency for some.